Alright guys, in today's video I'm taking a look at these two things, how to install them, how to use them. So this is your water pressure, which is a must. Water filter, which I would highly suggest. Some campgrounds just have their water, which I wouldn't even shower with unless I had a filter. That way nothing is getting into my tank that shouldn't be there. So we're gonna go on and set these two guys up. And I forgot to mention that we're gonna use this as well. Just want to highlight that this says lead free, but if you look at the warning in the back, it tells you that this product can expose you to chemicals including lead. So there you go. So always read your warnings, but you really don't have any other choice. So for your water pressure, the preset for this is 40 to 50. That's what you want. Now there are others that you guys can buy where you guys can adjust them yourselves. If you guys want more pressure and your RV can take that. However, mine is normal, just 50. That's what's recommended. So these are just fine. So just wanted to show you the installation on the side of the box, what it tells you. And there's two ways. What I recommend is this way, directly to the faucet where you're getting your water from, and not like this. Because this is just not that convenient. As you guys will see, this will make more sense. So usually it will not go like this. It's gonna go a little bit straight and then go like that. And here it's always gone like that. So it creates that pressure there. Although we are using this part, which will protect your hose, but still, it's just not that great. And right here, we can connect our water pressure right here. And I'll show you how everything goes. But we're doing this right here. Now in this case, we get two of these guys. We're just gonna use one. And right here, you guys can put the date whenever you guys first start using it, so that way you know. So I'm gonna show you how everything goes together. So first of all, this end here, all right? So we're gonna take a look at this guy and then this guy. So it's 1, 2, 3. So see this plastic, you have to take that out. And then just keep it on the side for now. Then you guys are gonna put this here and just screw it on just by hand, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, this is the other end. We're gonna take that out soon, but this is it. And then your water pressure will go here and just screw that on as well. So here it is. That's how it's supposed to look like. And this end, we're gonna take that plastic out soon, but this is your main setup. And before we keep going, I wanna remind you that you're supposed to change these every season or once you feel that awkward taste or odor. And also keep in mind that the filter itself tells you that you should use a water regulator, okay? So maximum 60 PSI. Now something that they don't tell you to do is to flush these guys, but yeah, just run some water before you put it in your RV, just a little bit, run it through, and then plug it into your RV so you guys get that water. But for now, since it's brand new, just flush it a little bit. All right, next up, we have our fresh water hose. So this part actually goes to your RV. But I always recommend not attaching it yet. Run some water through it, close water, and then attach it to your RV, just in case there's some debris in there or anything like that. All right, your water filter, just take out this cap, so that end from it. And then you're just gonna attach this to your hose right there. That's how it's supposed to look like. And then this end will just go to the faucet, wherever it is. As I mentioned, just flush it. So just run the water through a little bit. Once you've done that, just open this up. Make sure that's your CD connection. That's where you're gonna plug that in. So we're gonna take this, put it here, twist it around. Make sure that's nice and tight. And then just turn on the water. Never turn on your water pump while this is on, okay? All right, so quick reminder, whenever you are hooked up to city water, never turn on your pump. That's only once you have water inside your reservoir, or else don't turn it on. So the pressure you're gonna be getting is from the city water itself. You don't really need the water pumps right now. You turn it on, there you go. So that's that one, and that's my hot water. My hot water tank doesn't have that much water inside, so that's why you guys saw that. But for cold water, it should be running just fine. And as far as this video, we are all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.